Hi, it's HardReset, and today I will show you how to take long screenshots on a Realme phone. So, first, how to take a normal screenshot. Scroll from the top, and here you have screenshot. Click on it, and you have taken a screenshot. To take a long screenshot, first we need to open something that has a long page. I have just a Wikipedia cats article. Then scroll from the top, and here on screenshot we have this arrow pointing down. Click on it, and here you have scrolling screenshot. Take it, and now swipe up or down to adjust the length, and then click done. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.